it's Maggie here. As you can see, I am super happy right now because it's time for another trip. It was actually my best friend's birthday. For some reason, we couldn't meet up on that day, but we ended up decided to go on a 2-day trip to Ningbo, which is in Zhejiang province. Yay! Zhejiang is a province right next to Shanghai. The distance to Ningbo is around 170 miles. It takes about 3 hours if you drive, but we are going to take high-speed rail and it's like 2 hours and 20 minutes. With that being said, what I will do is to pack the luggage. I know it's only a 2-day trip and a suitcase like this might not be necessary, but for me, I like to keep my bag as light as possible. Carrying a 20 pounds backpack is definitely not a pleasant thing, and also I love to buy native or local produces, so I can always put them in the suitcase. The reason why I am sitting on the floor right now making this video is because since I've been traveling quite often for the last few years, because I'm too active to stay in one place for too long. By too long, I mean 3 months.
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyways, I had developed my packing skill to a certain level. I can pack a relatively light suitcase in a short time, sometimes quicker than guys. Relatively light because girls always need to bring more toiletries and cosmetics than guys. But I have progressively learned how to not be an overpacker. So I want to show you guys some packing tricks I have to pack light. I'll start to pack now and time myself. Then I'll show you guys all the stuff I will bring. So let's go! Now I have sorted out what I will bring. Let's see what I have in each of those bags. This cosmetic bag contains my travel size facial cream, eye cream, and some other skincare products. From here, you'll notice that I have almost everything in travel size, if not the freebies I got when purchasing skincare products. I use those to save a lot of space in my suitcase, and if a sample product is in a disposable bag, I can just throw them away after using. I also have some earrings, a watch, and a bracelet to match my outfit. I do have this little scissor with a blunt end, so it's safe to carry around and I make good use of it because trust me, there will be way more times you need a scissor than you thought. I also have the habit of bringing some eye drops each time I go out, even not for traveling. It's definitely necessary when my eyes feel dry or when they're red. What I want to recommend most is this disposable facial washing powder. They're super light. I can decide how many of them to bring depends on how many days I will be out, and the powder itself is even very moisturizing. The next one we have here is a bigger makeup bag. Nothing very special here except I'm bringing more travel size items. This time I'm bringing this hair oil with me. Sometimes I bring a small bottle hair conditioner. It could be either one. I also have an instant stain remover. What I have in this bottle is 99% rubbing alcohol. An alternative choice for travel size items is to buy some small containers. It does the same on leaving big bottles at home and just to take a portion out. This bag is for my toothbrush and toothpaste. and this yellow box contains my Invisalign, which I need to wear at night. I like to carry a small bag instead of a backpack because for most of the days I'll be walking outside and it's easier to move around with that. Now this one is a mask case. Masks are part of our lives now. This case can prevent my mask from bending or getting dirty. Although it only fits 5 masks in it, I personally like it very much. This last bag is for my clothing. I also highly recommend these packing cubes. It comes with usually 6 different sizes. I use different ones for underwear, clothes, and shoes. This is definitely the ultimate organizer. For this trip, I am bringing 2 t-shirts and a suspender skirt. Alright, so those are some packing hacks that I found to be very useful. Hopefully, if you were some kind of an overpacker, you'll find this video helpful in a way of showing you how to get rid of some unnecessary items. Using containers and sample size items can definitely help you reducing extra weight when packing. And one last thing to mention before we end, like I said at the beginning of this video, I am going on a 2-day trip to city of Ningbo, so be lookout to that video as well. And how do I not miss Maggie's next video? Oh, I can subscribe. Yes, so subscribe to my channel. Do it now. So if you like this video, remember to smash that like button for me and comment down below for any of your thoughts. And if you also have some packing hacks, feel free to share it in the comment section so it can benefit everyone in this room. In this room or in this channel? In this channel. So it's a wrap for today's video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!